Habit 1. 90 minutes of deep work daily. Give yourself one solid block every day where nothing interrupts you. Put your phone away, close every tab, and focus on the single task that matters most. This is the habit that creates real progress. Skills grow faster, projects finish sooner, and distractions lose control over you. Even on days when everything else goes wrong, this 90-minute session keeps your momentum alive. Habit 2. Focus on one main goal. Pick the one goal that would make the biggest difference in your life. Not 10 goals, not 5, just one. When you choose one direction, your decisions become simpler, your mind becomes clearer, and your effort becomes sharper. This habit prevents you from spreading your energy too thin and helps you actually finish what you start. Consistency becomes easier when everything points to the same target. Habit 3. Train your body. Every day, your body controls your energy, and your energy controls your productivity. Give yourself 20 to 30 minutes daily to move, run, stretch, lift, walk, anything. You'll think better, you'll work better, and you'll feel more in control of your day. Training isn't about looking good, it's about staying capable, disciplined, and mentally strong enough to handle big goals. Habit 4. Build a growth environment. Your growth depends on the people around you. If your circle complains, stays distracted, or avoids improvement, you will slowly take on the same habits. Spend more time with people who aim higher, who push themselves, and who talk about ideas, not problems. The right environment makes discipline easier and progress natural. Habit 5. End your day. With a 2-minute check before you sleep, take a brief moment to reset. Ask yourself 2 questions. Did I move forward today? What should I improve tomorrow? This tiny habit keeps you aware of your actions and avoids weeks of drifting without direction. Small daily corrections compound into massive progress over the year.